show you a great game day recipe. It feeds a crowd. It's easy to make. If you have a slow cooker, I'll tell you how to make it in a slow cooker as well. It's my grandma's North Carolina chopped barbecue.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay, so we've got the pork butt here. We know it's pork shoulder. We got the bone out because it's going to be a lot faster. And all you do here is just poke some holes in. And then plunk
Stuff it with garlic.
some garlic.
Nice.
So that goes in there. We're gonna make a rub. Starts with a little bit of seasoning called Old Bay. So some onion powder, garlic powder, some sweet smoked paprika, just punching up the flavors. Gonna throw some salt in there, some black pepper, and then just rub it all over.
Rub it on down.
Our pork butt right here. Now, what I love about this is we've got the oven set at 250 degrees. If you have a slow cooker, that's like the low, or the high. So we can do this for 4 hours in the oven, or put it in a slow cooker on high for about 4 hours, or low for 8 hours.
But you know, I don't have a slow cooker because I have an oven. It's the same thing. Just put your oven on low, and throw the pot in it.
Yeah,
there
and I'll
you go.
show you. The great thing the slow cooker does is once it's done waiting and resting for a minute, the slow cooker is really good at moisture. So we can recreate that by adding in a little bit of
stock.
Rachael Ray stock.
Well, thank you for the product placement.
And I like to go about 1 inch up and then tightly cover with aluminum foil.
And that will just keep all that moisture in there to
keep everything moist, and then once the moisture happens, all that connective tissue just melts away, and that's what gives you that
It'll start making its own juices, obviously, as it slowly cooks. This just kind of gets it going. Nice.
All right, that's into the oven, 250 degrees. Got it for me?
Then it's this guy here.
Yep, then I want to show you how to make the sauces.
Oh, all right, baby.
So after it comes out, we've got it over here. I'm gonna take some rings off.
Beautiful.
I mean, look at this. You can kind of tell it's good just by the way it jiggles.
That's ready.
Look at that right there. Just
look at that
juiciness
gorgeous.
right there. Just come in. You're gonna go in, make some slices, and I'll usually have like 2 of these cleavers and just go crazy back and forth. Yeah. Well, watch out. Sounds like that. That's when you know it's popping in the kitchen.
Yeah.
So I'm going to show you how to make a very quick apricot barbecue sauce.
Oh, yum.
So simple. It's all pantry pulls. So some onions go in here. And then these are just straight up pantry pulls. Some hot Hungarian paprika. Shake that in there.
Gotcha.
Some garlic that I just spilled. That's okay. We'll get it
all right.
over.
We'll get it in there.
Some
there we go.
ketchup goes in.
It's all going in the same pot.
It does.
What the heck?
A little bit of sriracha goes in. Just for some heat if you don't have that hot sauce.
Use a different hot sauce. Sure.
Yeah.
A little sugar.
Bit of sugar. And then this is what I love making sauces with this. It's just apricot jam. You know what I'm saying?
There you go. It'll thicken it up and sweeten it up.
That's a sweetness.
Yum.
And then everyone knows the sweetness is also a little bit of brown sugar, but North Carolina is definitely about that tart vinegar flavor that I truly love. Cuts through the fat of the meat and everything. Just pour in some apple cider vinegar.
You really need that, yeah.
You really do. So that's going to cook down for a minute. And as it cooks down, it's going to reduce a bit. And this is the sauce right here. We've got our barbecue apricot sauce. And I've got a North Carolina typical sauce right here that just starts with ketchup. I've got some orange juice in here, sriracha as well, onions, and you can kind of smell the vinegar happening.
Oh, wow.
Here. Yeah. It's
clean
in
out your
nose.
sinuses,
You
too.
want to take that one? We can just go pour them right over the top.
Gotcha. All right, I got it. Whoops. We'll get
so this is great. You know, you're having a party. It's game day. You put some white bread out.
Some pickles.
Let everyone make their own